and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Rudra Starlight by Rudra Group located bang on SV Road, Kandivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look that the project is located bang on SV Road and you can have a look at the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have one tower of ground plus 2 level of commercial plus 24 residential floors having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. This project is located bang on SV Road near to Nama Hospital, Kandivali West, Mumbai. From where Kandivali West metro station is at a distance of 4 minutes, Link Road is at a distance of 6 minutes, Kandivali railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes and you also have Western Express Highway at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 25 plus amenities that will include a swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, indoor games, energetic outdoor arena and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 399 to 436 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 732 and 746 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, speaking of booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying an EOI of 2 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Rudra Starlight by Rudra Group located bang on SV Road, Kandivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.